Next we should know about the characteristics for the ideal opamp and the characteristics for the real opamp. Okay, like for every parameter it is different. If we'll consider the voltage gain, as you know voltage gain is denoted by AV. For ideal it is infinite and for real it is 10000. Okay, if I'll consider the input resistance, input resistance is denoted by R. In ideal case it should be infinity and in real case it should be 100 mega ohm. If we'll consider the output resistance, output resistance is denoted by R out, it should be 0 and in the real case it is 20 ohm. If we'll consider the bandwidth, okay, bandwidth should be infinite and in the real case it is 2 megahertz. If I'll consider for the slew rate ideally in ideal opamp it is infinite, again in real case it is 10 volt per microsecond. Next if we'll consider for input offset, input offset it is 0 and in the real case it is less than 5 millivolt. So you don't need to remember the real case, but you should know about the ideal case of all the parameters. Okay, they can ask you in MCQ form also.